Best hanging egg chair, your outdoor oasis. These hanging chairs offer comfort and fun. Perfect for relaxing. They sway gently, creating a peaceful atmosphere. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor settings. Whether nestled in your living room or swinging on your porch, they make a great addition. List number 1. HWB Hanging Egg Chair with. Elevate your relaxation with the HWB Hanging Egg Chair. Its elegant gray wicker design suits any space beautifully. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings, adding charm to your garden or bedroom. The soft cushion provides comfort, making it a cozy retreat. Sturdy stand ensures stability, promising safe and peaceful lounging. Enjoy your serene spot for reading, napping, or simply unwinding. Advantages. Enjoy ultimate relaxation with this comfortable hanging egg chair. Versatile design suits bedroom, garden, indoor, and outdoor spaces. Durable wicker and sturdy stand ensure long-lasting use. Soft cushion provides extra comfort and support. Gray color blends well with various decor styles. List number 2. Home Hanging Egg Chair. Transform your space with the Home Hanging Egg Chair. Perfect for balcony, garden, or bedroom settings. The beige wicker hammock design adds a touch of elegance. Soft cushions provide comfort for hours of relaxation. Supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring durability and safety. Stand not included, allowing flexible placement options. Advantages. Unwind in style. This egg chair offers a cozy retreat. Perfect for relaxing outdoors or indoors. Beige color adds a touch of elegance. Ideal for balconies, gardens, or bedrooms. Comfortable seating. Comes with a soft cushion for extra comfort. Supports up to 330 pounds, enjoy long hours of relaxation. Swing gently and feel the stress melt away. Durable design. Crafted from sturdy rattan material. Built to withstand outdoor conditions. Long-lasting and reliable. Enjoy your chair for years. Versatile use. Suitable for various spaces. Enhance your balcony or garden. Complements bedroom decor beautifully. A versatile addition to any setting. List number 3. LHB Craft Hanging Egg Chair. Transform your space with the LHB Craft Hanging Egg Chair, a perfect blend of comfort and style. Its sturdy construction can support up to 350 pounds, ensuring a safe and relaxing experience. Crafted from durable wicker, this chair adds a touch of elegance to any bedroom, balcony, or garden. The unique hammock style offers a cozy nook for unwinding after a long day. In vibrant yellow-gray, it effortlessly complements various decor styles. Enjoy a peaceful retreat in your own home with this inviting swing chair. Advantages. Adds a stylish touch to any room or outdoor area. Provides a comfortable spot for relaxation and reading. Durable design supports up to 350 pounds safely. Versatile for bedroom, balcony, or garden use. Easy to assemble with included stand and instructions. List number 4. Egg Chair WTH Stand. Experience ultimate comfort with the double egg chair with stand. Perfect for your bedroom, balcony, or garden. This hammock swing chair features UV-resistant, removable cushions. It can support up to 700 pounds, ensuring durability. Enjoy relaxation time with its foldable, space-saving design. Ideal for any cozy corner. Advantages. Enjoy ultimate comfort with the cozy, foldable love seat design. Strong and safe, supporting up to 700 pounds easily. Perfect for any space, bedroom, balcony, or garden. UV-resistant cushions ensure durability and long-lasting use. Removable cushions make cleaning and maintenance a breeze. List number 5. Craft Egg Chair with. Experience ultimate relaxation with the Lex Craft Egg Chair. Its sturdy design supports up to 350 pounds. Perfect for your bedroom, balcony, or garden. The patio wicker and hammock swing blend comfort with style. Enjoy the soothing sway of this elegant hanging chair. Advantages: stylish design enhances any bedroom, balcony, or garden decor. Comfortable seating supports up to 350 pounds, 50 pounds effortlessly. Durable wicker material ensures long-lasting use and enjoyment. Easy-to-assemble stand offers convenient setup and stability. Versatile hammock swing provides relaxation indoors and outdoors.